There are now 6 people in the U.S.
A dangerous
infected
virus
with the
is spreading rapidly
virus.
in China.
Thailand has reported its first local transmission of COVID-19.
On December 21, 2019, China informed the World Health Organization about a pneumonia that is spreading across Wuhan, China, without knowing the cause.
It was suspected that a local fish market called Huanan Seafood Market is where the disease originated, causing the forced shutdown of the establishment.
The environmental samples taken from the said market tested positive for SARS-CoV-2. This further suggests that the market in Wuhan City was the source of this outbreak that led to the spreading of this disease.
Within a few days of China confirming its first death, countries like Thailand, Japan, and South Korea also reported their first and second case.
Here in the Philippines, the first case of COVID-19 is from a Chinese national traveling here in the country. She had symptoms of cough and sore throat. She then was admitted to San Lazaro Hospital in Manila on January 25, 2020. It was confirmed on January 30 that she was indeed positive of the virus and identified as the first case of COVID-19.
This led to the government implementing regulations in order to stop the further spread of the virus. Also, during the time of quarantine, many countries and companies are trying to quickly develop a vaccine.
The WHO categorizes them as emergency use listing or EUL. Companies like Pfizer, Serum Institute of India, and SK Bio. WHO also confirms that they regularly review the vaccines and update their findings regularly.
However, the decision to distribute the vaccines has been delayed. With further updates still being released, there is still no confirmed date.
"2020 really was a surprise for everyone, don't you think, Maria?"
Yes, Angelica, I agree. But for you, what are your thoughts about the vaccine?
There are a lot of worries, of course, the effectivity of the vaccine as well as the side effects, but vaccines are important. Besides the conspiracy that circulates that vaccines are a hoax, with vaccines we have overcome a lot of diseases. Polio, smallpox, measles, and a lot more. There are also a lot of scientific studies to back up the effectivity of vaccines.
I also share some of your sentiments when it comes to the COVID vaccines. Since it's so rushed, I felt as though the companies that are making the vaccines feel like they just care about the money. Well, I think that's all the time we have for this video. Thank you for watching, and we will see you again in the next one. Bye!
Bye!